right, the Tech Council. So this is where all the code action happens. So we are now, we've actually been iterating quite a bit on some of the code. We are finally at the point where we can push out another testnet release. So there's going to be a release on October 10th, which is Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. And that is going to feature auto perks. So you can see how the perks are automatically added into a perks pool upon a successful rebasing. We're going to have a faucet available, so you can also use your wallet and start experiencing some of these things. And we will also have a test release of Poet on there. So with the faucet tokens, you can go and experiment with Poet and issue tokens, etc. on testnet. Now, keep in mind, it's testnet, it'll be reset, it might go away. So this is supposed to be just, test tokens, etc. It's not supposed to be permanent tokens that you would have on mainnet. We are in the process of getting a voting DApp created so that when we do vote next week, we have that DApp ready. The booster DApp, the all-important booster DApp is in progress. So we are planning on supporting 2 networks there for payments, Ethereum and Binance. So we'll support only stable coins on both. So it's going to be USDC and USDT on Ethereum. And on Binance, it'll be BUSD and USDT. So the way it'll work is that you will pay with your network wallet, whatever network it is, but your actual booster gets issued on Vitruvio. And the reason we have to do that is because we don't have a bridge or centralized exchange right now, so we can't bring in funds yet. So you would be paying, and pretty much immediately you would see your token. It's going to be queued a little bit, so there might be a slight latency, but you will see your booster token show up on a mainnet, on Vitruvio mainnet. This has been a non-negotiable thing for me. I want to make sure that the actual tokens appear on our protocol and not anywhere else. There are some code iterations we are going through on what are called precompiled smart contracts. So that's asset-based and creator-based, the 2 main foundational pillars of our whole ecosystem around creators. So we are iterating through that code. And finally, we've had multiple meetings with the Usign team in Brazil who are going to build out the Vitru Studio. So we've completed the 3 meetings at this point, reviewed all the requirements, and now we are also looking at the Synapse API for KYC integration. We are moving forward on that. And also the creators are going to have W3C, Worldwide Consortium verifiable credentials. We're going to conform to that. And so we're going to look to the Veramo API for that. So we've done the research and determined that that's the best open source API for us to use. And that's what we are going to do. So that's all on technology, but stay tuned for the 10th when we do a new testnet drop.